Distractions happen to the best of us, and taking your eyes off the road for even a split second is often all it takes to cause a rear-end collision, which is why autonomous emergency braking, or AE, is becoming a standard safety feature. This system acts as an extra pair of eyes that never blinks, constantly scanning the road ahead for danger. It typically uses a combination of radar sensors, cameras, and sometimes lidar laser technology to measure the distance and speed of the objects in front of you. If the system detects that you are approaching a car, a cyclist, or a pedestrian too fast and a collision is imminent, it first alerts you with a loud sound or a flashing light. If you do not react in time, the system takes over and automatically applies the brakes, either to bring the car to a complete stop or to scrub off enough speed to minimize the impact. Early versions of this technology only worked at low city speeds to prevent fender benders, but modern systems are capable of working at highway speeds as well. The most advanced systems can even predict the movement of traffic, calculating if a car cutting in front of you is going to accelerate or slam on the brakes. While it is an incredible safety net that can save you from costly repairs and injuries, it is important to remember that it is not foolproof. Heavy rain, direct sunlight blinding the cameras, or dirt on the sensors can affect its performance. AEB is designed to support you, not replace you, so keeping your attention on the road remains the most important safety feature of all.